Hello everyone and welcome to the last video in our Product Insights series. Today we are exploring how to use Usermaven's Slipping Away Users feature to identify and retain users at the risk of churning. Let's start by setting up the Slipping Away Users dashboard. On your Web Analytics dashboard, click on Product Insights right here, then select Retention from the drop-down menu. On this dashboard, click on Create New and select Slipping Away Users. Now, for this demonstration, we'll be using Content Studio, which is a social media management tool and one of our partner brands as an example. We'll create an insight to measure the churn rate on the Content Studio web app. So let's go back and give our insight a name. Let's name it Slipping Away Users. In the second step, select the events showing the product's usage. Here, we'll choose the events that show all the users using the Content Studio web app. So in this case, let's select page URL contains. Over here, you can add as many conditions as you need. Once you're done, click on the Save Insight button right here, and you should land on this dashboard. Now, why is this feature crucial for SaaS companies? Imagine you're running a website and you've got users signing up, but are they really consistently returning and engaging with your platform? Usermaven provides valuable foresight into the potential churn for this. So let's look at this graph right here. It shows users who haven't been active for the last 7, 14, 30, 60, and 90 days, giving you a clear view of user engagement over time. Each of these bars represents users at risk. If you click on a bar, you'll get a list of all the users that are at the risk of churning, in addition to their email addresses and their last seen and the date that they created their account on. You can very easily download this list as well just by clicking on the Export as CSV button over here, allowing you to reach out and re-engage with these users proactively. This information is also available in the form of a table right here with the number of sessions and days listed, then the count of slipping away users provided over here, the percentage of these slipping away users, and once again, an option to download this list of users from over here as well. Also, Usermaven offers insights at both user and company levels, providing both detailed and broad perspectives on user engagement. Moreover, you can also filter these insights by various segments using the filter by segment option over here. This allows you to analyze specific user groups or compare engagements across different segments. For example, in this case, let's select agency plan users over here, and the dashboard should give you slipping away users for this particular segment. You can also very easily manage your insights using the Manage Insights button over here. From over here, you can very easily set an insight as default. You can edit an insight. You can also delete an insight if you want. And this is it. With these insights, you can very easily identify the users who are at the risk of churning before they leave. You can understand the patterns in their disengagement. You can also tailor your retention strategies based on the data and make informed decisions to improve user retention rates. And this is all for now. Explore this feature on your own and use it to keep your users engaged and active. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.